Hi guys, and welcome to another Tool Tuesday. Now, I was recently asked by one of our viewers what tools we actually use here in the Auto Trader workshop. Now, I have spent many years collecting the tools that we use around here, but for a normal home DIY mechanic, you can get along with just the bare necessities. I would recommend that you would invest in a good set of screwdrivers. You can never have enough of these. A really good set of pliers and side cutters. Also, you can never have enough of these. The next item on the list, I would say, is a 1/2-inch socket set. Drivers and the wrench. Now, these all, you could probably pick these up for about 300 Rand for a decent set. And these are the tube type, so you can get a lot of good use out of these. Next thing on the list would be a set of ring and open end wrenches, or spanners as we call them here in South Africa. Also, a good quality set of these will last you a lifetime. And then of course, the number one tool that everybody in the workshop loves, a good hammer. You're always going to need one of these to knock loose joints and get certain parts to move. Other than that, you could basically get along with your small, normal household DIY jobs with just these tools. You don't need to go out and spend hundreds of thousands of rands on a whole toolkit just to start doing your own mechanical work. Now, if there are any tools that you guys would like us to review or would like more information about, just drop us a note in the comments section and we'll be sure to get you on the next video.